Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I brought such as an important topic for you people, that is all about on. What is on, and grammatically, and how we can define on. So let's begin. On is a preposition. On is used for surface thing. Once again, on is used for surface thing. For example, the book is on the table. The book is on the table. On is also used with day's name. On is also used with the day's name. For example, I will go to school on Friday. I go to school on Friday. On is also used for complete date of birth. On is also used for complete of date of birth. For example, she was born on September 12, 2006. On is also used to show a road or street which is located on the surface of another road or street. For example, Basilk is on Tall Road. It is on Church Street. It is on Church Street. So guys, this is our today lesson. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. My new video is coming to you first. Thank you, my supporter.